We can finally create a PDF book with TextBuilder. This feature has finally been made available to my user type. So now, here's what we can do. We go to the PDF book tab in the TextBuilder interface and click on Generate a Book. We'll check together how many credits it costs and how long it takes. Right now, I have 378,442 credits left for this month. So let's click on Generate a Book. I've never used this feature before, so let's see how it goes. We have several types of books we can create. What do we want to write today? The first step is to choose a format to start creating our book. We can create a classic book, so a traditional format, or a business book, or a personal development, motivational book, an educational book with in-depth examples. We can also create guides and tutorials, step-by-step content like a how-to, a beginner's guide, or a complete manual. These are generally between 40 and 80 pages, depending on what we choose. We can also create expert content, advanced strategies. For example, a framework or system for a unique methodology or process, or a playbook. This is a strategy book with tactical guides. We can also make a mini course, a structured lesson with exercises. These are shorter, between 35 and 70 pages. Finally, we can create lead magnets. The idea here is to offer free downloads to grow our email list. So we can create a small freebie, 5 to 10 pages, something quick, or a checklist, also short, or a resource list with tools, links, and recommendations. So we have a lot of different options. In this example, I want to create a book for my online course. I want to offer it at the end of my online course so that students can download this little book. I have my online course, I have a title, a description, and all the details I need. Let's see what the book creator needs. My online course is for beginners, so I don't want to generate leads or prospects. I don't necessarily want expert content. So either a classic book or an educational book, or a guide or tutorial. Maybe a beginner's guide or a complete manual. I think I'll go for a classic book and educational content for my book. Let's see how that works. It should create a book between 60 and 90 pages. It should also use the most credits. Theoretically, it's one of the longest options available. So I have 378,442 credits. Let's see how many I have left afterward. We choose an educational book, continue with title ideas. Now I already have a title idea. Did I copy my title? Yes. I'll enter the title of my online course, and we'll generate some ideas. Okay? I've entered the title of my book, and it gives me directions to choose from. What do I want? Let's pick something that fits. For example, we can choose small talk. Small talk is good because when I visit schools and promote my online course, that's what I introduce. It's what's needed in everyday business. And it's often what the companies that take my online course want. Their employees to be able to engage in small talk in English. So it's a business English course. Now we've chosen a direction, small talk. Next, we need to pick a subcategory. We have plenty of subcategories. Icebreaker techniques, active listening. So many options. I don't want to go into a specific industry. I don't want to stay virtual. I want to be in the real world. Let's pick icebreaker techniques. That's good. That's simple. Now we choose the title of our book. It suggests titles. Everything is done for us. It's so simple. Now let's pick a title that suits us. I want to keep Business English because that's the main title of my online course. Let's stick with that. I have several suggestions with Business English. Breaking Business English Success, Your Business. No, I don't like the last one. I don't like breaking too much. I'll try to keep the video short, but of course we could put these titles into an SEO tool to see which one works best. That's another exercise. We won't do that now. Ideally, we'd check each title to see which one is most searched, least competitive. But I like the first suggestion, Business English Icebreaker Handbook. It's simple. Another one I like is Confident Connections Business English Small Talk. That's a bit complicated. Let's keep it simple. Business English Icebreaker Handbook. We continue to the book details. We have the title here, the author, that's me. We can choose the language. I'm going to make the book in English, but we have lots of languages to choose from, and we can pick the tone, informative, educational, friendly, scientific, creative, etc. I want to stay on an educational tone. It's for beginners and intermediates. It's aimed at professionals. They have some English knowledge, but are beginners in this area and need practice, so more intermediate. Now, we pick the length. Short is 4 chapters, medium is 10 chapters, long is 17 chapters, extra long is 25 chapters. I don't want something too long. Let's stick with short, 4 chapters. Do we want tables for comparisons and statistics? I don't really need them, but I'll add them so we can see in this exercise what it does. We'll also add visual graphics. We'll have tables and charts. I'm not sure how that'll fit in my book, but let's try. Next are the book context. We can provide our own context or search on Google. I'm not sure if that costs credits. I already have all the context I need. I'll just copy and paste what I already have, all the details of my online course. It's a lot of context, but that's fine. I'm giving it the full description of my online course. Otherwise, you could search data from Google and use the context creator. Now we continue to the design. Let's see what we get. We can choose visuals. Let's pick something that matches the business visual of my online course. Something not too artistic, simple, businesslike. Azure Geometric looks good. At the start, there were also some nice ones. Indigo, neon, vibrant. No, I think I prefer the ones at the end. Let's take Geometric Minimal. Now we generate. We have to click the button to let the AI generate the book's chapters. It takes 2 to 5 minutes. Let's do that. Let's see how long it takes. Right now, it's 14:52. Let's see when it finishes. And there we go. It's already done. That was super fast. It's still 14:52, so it took less than a minute to generate our book structure. We have 17 chapters. Okay, I thought we wanted 4. Let's continue. So far, it hasn't used any credits. Great. We have the different sections of our book. Introduction, starting with professional strategy. Lots of chapters. We have an introduction, 5 main chapters, each with 2 subchapters, and finally a conclusion. We can regenerate if we want. This is just the outline for generating the book. It's just the chapter so far. Everything looks good. It follows my online course context because I gave it a lot of context. It follows the course chapters well. Perfect. Now we generate the text. Let's go. Text generation has started. They say it takes up to 5 minutes, and apparently we can see it in real time. Let's check. Ah, there we go. In real time. It took a few seconds to generate the introduction. Now it's generating chapter 1. We see the credits going down slowly. Each chapter uses credits depending on the word count. Each chapter, if I can scroll up, no, I can't. Let's wait for this chapter to finish. There, 500 words, 500 credits. Let's check again. We were at 376,700. Now we're down to 376,000, 375,000. So 1 word equals 1 credit, apparently. Let's see the total for a complete book. We started at roughly 380,000. It's still going. Once it's done, we can add images too. We can regenerate anything we don't like. Chapters, structure, content, everything can be regenerated. It's pretty fast. Again, we started at 14:52. Now it's 14:54. In about 3 or 4 minutes, the book's content is almost done. It's simple. It's still going. We've reached the conclusion. There we go. The book has been generated. All chapters are done. Now we can create our PDF book. Should we do that? Or should we add images? For a first try, let's trust the AI and see what we get. Without going into more detail, we can go into more detail in other videos. Let's generate the PDF book. We click. Yes, I said I want to generate it. We have to confirm generating the PDF book. Let's go. And it's already generated. Wow, that was so simple. And there it is. I now have the PDF book. Ideally, of course, we'd edit it, add our affiliate links. The AI can't guess those. But for this exercise, we just made a quick PDF book to see what it looks like. Here, for example, we have a table. It did create tables. The tables look good. As we scroll down, we have more tables, lots of tables. I haven't seen a chart yet. Ah, here, a chart. Elements of a memorable presentation. Okay, in this example, the chart isn't super relevant, but at the same time, I'm not sure how the AI could invent charts. And that's it. We have our PDF book generated. It was simple.